If you want to buy from Alibaba but you're unsure how to do it, then this video is for you. I use Alibaba to buy and resell products locally. I have been doing this regularly for more than a year now, and there are some things that you need to be aware of. Alibaba can be overwhelming for someone who has never bought from there before. I will be showing you the whole buying process and what to look out for. First thing you need to do is sign up and create an account. You will need to fill in your personal information, such as shipping address and mobile number. You can fill in the payment details once you buy a product. You don't need to save it on your account. Finding a product. You can use the search bar on the homepage or browse through the categories to find what you're looking for. Once you have found the product, click on it to see the more details, including the price, shipping details, and the minimum order quantity. The minimum order quantity is important, as on Alibaba, most of the sellers sell in bulk. When searching for a product, make sure to write down the minimum quantity to save you time. Otherwise, you'll end up finding loads of products, but unable to buy them as the seller sells in large volumes only. Communicating with the supplier. Once you find the product that you're looking for, you can either buy it there and then in the ready-to-ship category, or else message the seller to negotiate a better price. Obviously, the more items you take, the better the price. I always message the seller before making an order to confirm the shipping price. Sellers on Alibaba usually ship express using DHL and UPS, but there are multiple other methods for cheaper shipping. All you need to do is ask the seller if they have any cheaper shipping, and that's it, placing an order. In the ready-to-ship section, you can buy the products just like you're on eBay. The shipping rates will be automatically calculated by Alibaba once you fill in your address. I use Alibaba to buy and resell products for a local store, so this is not the option for me. If you're looking to buy one or more items, you will get better shipping prices by just communicating with the sellers. When messaging the sellers, you will first agree upon the order quantity and shipping rates. Then the seller will send you an order link to be paid directly on Alibaba. This order is covered with trade assurance, which means that should the order not arrive to you, you will be covered. In this order, you will have your shipping details and the products you want. Make sure to check these. It's very important. Payment terms. The payment on Alibaba.com works just as other websites like eBay. They accept credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. You might also need to pay tax on the products, depending on where you live. If you need to pay tax, it will show you in the checkout. Now, what to look out for? Supplier's profile. Before messaging any seller, check their profile. You will have details on their company and how long they've been on Alibaba. If they have several negative reviews on their profile, then it's a clear sign to steer away. Alibaba is quite safe, but there are scammers on there as well, just like on eBay. Branded products. If you're looking to buy a brand like Nike or Adidas, then most probably the products you will be buying will be fake. This is also evident from the prices. If the price is too low, then it's a sign that it's not the real thing. If you're looking to buy branded items, it's best to buy directly from the company. There are reliable sellers out there, but if it's your first time using Alibaba, it will be hard to find them. There is also a lot of competition on Alibaba, and that's why the prices are so low. Sellers telling you to do business directly with them. Again, there are some instances where this will benefit you, but most of the times it's a scam. Reputable sellers on Alibaba will always tell you to do the order directly on there. If you're messaging a seller and he keeps insisting to pay him directly, avoid him at all costs. Now, to be fair, this only happened once in a full year, buying products from different suppliers. Still, it helps to be aware of these things. You will immediately notice if there's any funny business going on. That's basically it. Alibaba is just the same as eBay, with more functions and a different layout. Now, all I ask of you is like the video if this information has helped you. I will be making more of these videos. If you have any ideas, leave a comment down below.